Extra 300. Incredible career as an air race pilot, but you might be wondering how he became a Red Bull air racer and a Canadian aviation hero. Pete actually can't remember a time when he didn't know how to fly. At 6 years old, or 6 weeks old, he first clutched the controls atop his father's knee at age 3 and got his private license at 16 before he could even legally drive a car. He was an accomplished push pilot even before pursuing aerobatics as an 18-year-old, earning his aerobatic instructor rating in less than 1 year. Growing up playing hockey, Aviation's unofficial national sport, the Clown showed early signs of being a fierce competitor. He started flying aerobatics at 16, earned his aerobatic instructor rating at 18, and then flew competition aerobatics at Airshow performer in Canada. And oh, did I mention, he also earned an economics degree from the University of Western Ontario. Eventually, Pete's attention turned to air racing, and in 2008, following a 12th place finish at the European Aerobatic Championship in the Czech Republic, he was invited to attend the Red Bull Air Race qualification camp. He was one of 4 rookies selected for the Red Bull Air Race, becoming the youngest competitor in the championship. The race he is history. Demonstrating the incredible power to rate ratio of the Extra 300. Folks, as you know, an airshow pilot is nothing without a good airplane, and Pete owns one of the best. The Extra 300 is a 2-seat aerobatic airplane. The Extra 300's top speed is 408 kilometers an hour, has a rate of climb of 16 meters per second, and an incredible roll rate of 400 degrees per second. Jeez. He's going to turn that airplane into a helicopter once again. Here the torque of the engine takes over and spins the airplane. That's about as far as 300 horsepower will get you. It shifts it in reverse. That's 1 plane length. 2 plane lengths in the tail slide. Folks, we call that the torque roll. Favorite moments are getting to combine aviation with his passion for the outdoors. For him, nature, surely remote locations, and the country it just runs through his blood. He's a tourist in a lot of locations, but he always says that he is always at home, in the air and in the bush. Rolling the airplane on that 45-degree downwind. will work so close to the ground, as they do in the Red Bull air races, whether it's ground or water. Throwing in a few rolls there to give you an idea of the roll rate, and then a very hard G turn. Continuing to roll on the exit. The whole goal in the Red Bull air race is to go through the pylons at exactly the right altitude. Get your plane upside down, all the blood rushing to his head as he hangs in the strap, going the full length of the shoulder upside down. The airplane upside down, all the blood rushing to his head as he hangs in the strap, going the full length of the shoulder extra 300. Back on the stick, rolling the airplane as he goes. Surface of the runway starts to slip into the wind in a sort of tight ledge pass. Goes by. What a spectacular performance in the Red Bull Extra 300. You know, folks, for Pete McLeod, the Red Bull Air Race and by extension Airshow flying is an expression of some of the greatest things in life: speed, extreme performance, and world-class performance. Silver Star. We've got the Golden Knights in their second demonstration of the day. The Royal Canadian Air Force CF-18 Hornet demonstration team is here, and we're going to wrap things up with the Royal Air Force Red Arrows. Special thank you to Checkers Cleaning Supply for supplying all cleaning essentials and sanitization stations to help ensure the safety of everyone at SkyDrive and making this year's event possible. Huge thank you to Diamond Aircraft for sponsoring Airshow London SkyDrive and for hosting all our visiting demonstration teams this year. Learn more about Diamond Aircraft at diamondaircraft.com.